Everyone, welcome back to this channel, Sapna Raghuvanshi, and I hope you people are fit as fiddle. And if I talk about myself, so I'm not like you. I'm not fit as fiddle because I'm under the weather. As you can see, the weather is good and it's evening time right now. And yes, I decided to share my feeling little bit here in this video just because today it's 16th of July. And this is very special day in my life, of course. So why this day is special, definitely I will tell this thing in this video, and this video is completely random. There's nothing in my mind to share in English about English, but yes, whatever I will share, that will be my genuine and real feeling. And yes, randomly I thought to share this feeling in my video, and it will be a great memory for me. So yes, why 16th of July is special for me? Because yes, this is the day when I came here in Varanasi and I joined my school, my current school where I am right now. Okay, because yes, on 16th of July 1 year back, it was my demo today in my school, and yes, I got selected in my demo, and it was being counted as my working day. So yes, little bit things are there in my mind that I literally wanted to share with you. So guys, to be very honest, when I came here in Varanasi, initially it was not a good feeling. Everything like shifting to a new place, Varanasi, and leaving my old school and joining new school, everything, every feeling was just blessing in disguise. But yes, little by little and day by day, I realized the fact, the truth, that yes, this is the real place where exactly I wanted to be in my life, and yes, I deserved this place. So yes, I have reached here only because of my hard work, dedication and honesty. And yes, and if I talk about the topmost thing that got me here in Varanasi and in my current school, so this is only my YouTube channel. Yes, friends, still some of my friends are just whenever they are talking to me, they are asking the same thing, like means how come you learned this much English, how did you become this much fluent and confident, you are speaking without any hesitation, and we have studied in the same school, college, but we are not able to speak like you confidently. So yes, my response is always the one, that is only because of my YouTube channel. So the first and top credit I want to give it. And yes, as I was talking about 16th of July, so this is a special day, and this will be always a special day in my life, because randomly I just came here and I have given my interview in my school, and by the serendipity I can say I got selected. And now, initially I was not feeling to stay here for a long time, but it's been 1 year now, and now I can say. And one more thing, guys, it's been 2 years for my channel. Yes, I have opened my channel on 15th July, and I have uploaded my first video, I think, on 16th July, like my speaking video. And the very first video I have uploaded on 15th of July, and that was something about any topic like importance of time or something like that. But my speaking video, I think I have uploaded on 16th of July. So the first daring, I can say, the first step that I took towards my English, that was also 16th of July. So it's been 2 years, and yes, ever since I have reached here in Varanasi and in my new school, new place, so it's been 1 year, and now everything is very fantastic. And if I talk about my school little bit, what is the crucial thing that I like the most in my current school. So that is only the discipline. Yes, friends, discipline makes nation strong, and this fact I have learnt completely thoroughly, I can say, only after reaching here in my school. And yes, from always I was honest, I was dedicated person towards my work, and I was always disciplined with my work. But the real discipline I learned here. So now I can say it took me a long time, but every feeling, everything is exciting and good. And now I am always ready to take a step ahead, not to think of my past and not to go back. And earlier I was thinking to stay back like this, but no. Now if I talk my feeling honestly, guys, so I never want to leave this place like Varanasi. Now I want to be here till my entire life. Now guys, I think I have to stop my video. It's lengthy and this train is disturbing unnecessarily. Bye bye, take care, enjoy your life, enjoy your day, enjoy your English.